Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a custom form on the Theatre app. When utilizing the Theatre app to create an operation, you have the option to automatically include a custom form. This convenient feature allows for easy access and review of the form's responses while you're on the move. Please note that custom forms can be tailored to assign with the specific needs of your practice. For more information regarding this, please refer to the How to Set Up Custom Forms user manual, linked in this video's description. To ensure that custom forms are available on the Theatre app, setup is necessary. You'll need to add the desired forms as auto events to the booking type used for operation bookings. For detailed instructions on this process, please refer to the How to Add a Custom Form to a Booking Type user manual, linked in this video's description. For the purpose of this video, visit the GoodX Theatre app by adding /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of your GoodX web URL and press enter. The GoodX Theatre screen will open. Please note that to proceed with the next step, you'll need to create a theatre booking as well as an operation first. To learn more on this, please refer to both the How to Add a Theatre list using the Theatre app and How to Add an Operation on the Theatre app user manuals, linked in this video's description. Upon creating an operation, the previously configured custom form will now seamlessly load automatically. To navigate to the custom form, click on the Theatre Booking drop-down menu and select the desired option by clicking on the View Operation button. From here, click on a Clinical tab to access the custom form. Please note that you may add as many custom forms as needed. Click on a desired custom form panel to expand. The custom form will open. Please note that the patient's responses from the form will also be displayed on the screen.